Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today I'm going to go through how to fix Tinder can't delete your account. So let's get into the video. So if you're having issues deleting your Tinder account, so some of the suggestions on how you can fix them I will brief you through in this video. So firstly, open up your Tinder. So when you open up your Tinder, if you're trying to delete for your account, you can just go to your profile on your bottom right here. So click on your profile, and if you go to your settings option here on your top right here, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the delete account option. So when you click that, you'll be able to, like, either you can pause your account or you can delete your account. So you can do that. So when you delete it, if you're having issues with deleting it, so some of the things that you can try if you have issues with deleting while deleting, or that prevents you from deleting, what you can do. For example, firstly, update your app. So you can go to your app store and see if you can update your app. So that's one thing. So make sure your app is up to date, and also you have a perfect internet connection. So make sure your connection is perfect, there's no issues with your connection. And then apart from these two, what you can do, you can try to log out. So if you go to your settings here, you'll see a logout option here. So try to log out from your account and then log back in, and then try deleting it, because sometimes there might be some bugs which can be fixed by logging in and logging out and logging back in. So you can try that. Apart from that, if you have any subscriptions, like if you have any subscriptions that are currently active, so if you have some active subscriptions, make sure you cancel them before you delete your account. So you might, because you might sometimes have issues if you have an active subscription. So make sure all your subscriptions are like canceled and there's nothing active before you can like actually delete it. So that's one of the things that you can try. And then what else you can do, you can simply try it at a different time, because sometimes the apps might have small bugs and stuff, so which will be fixed by itself. So you can try and delete it at a later time. And if the issue still persists, then what you can do, you can simply contact the Tinder support team and get their advice. So you can simply scroll down and hit on this help and support team, and then try to reach out to Tinder and see if they can help you with, and they should be able to help you. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.